Hi, today I have a different take on the traditional pasta puttanesca. It is a vegetarian dish and it is loaded with lots of protein. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao, my name is Lucia and thanks for tuning into Green Olive Cooking, where you are only a few ingredients from a great meal. And today's dinner could not be any more simple, super for a quick night dinner. We want to start with some oil in our pan. We want to get that nice and hot. We are then going to add some sliced onions to it. And we're going to sprinkle a good healthy dose of salt. We're going to add some crushed garlic. And we want to saute that for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. And I just like it in the tube here. Just going to add about a tablespoon's worth. And this is going to give it a nice, deep, rich flavor. And so we're going to build on our tomato flavor in this dish. And the other thing we're going to use to build on flavors is anchovies. Now I know some people don't like anchovies because they say it gives a fishy flavor, but they really don't. They're so thin and they literally will melt when you put them into any kind of a dish, but it does give it another extra flavor. So I'm just going to take about 4 or 5 fillets and add them to the dish. Next, I'm going to add a can of whole peeled tomatoes. And with my spoon, I just kind of go through and just kind of break up all the tomatoes. And then the other thing I'm going to add is some sun-dried tomatoes too. Again, it's going to give a lot of different textures to this dish. So we'll add that. Now here's the star of our dish, our garbanzo beans, that it's loaded with lots of protein. And I like to also add some marinated artichokes to this dish, as well as some Kalamata olives, which is very traditional in a pasta puttanesca. And another ingredient that's very traditional in pasta puttanesca is capers. So I'm going to add that in here as well. And we're just going to stir this up and we're just going to let it cook for about 10-15 minutes until the tomato sauce is all nice and flavored. And the garbanzo beans are already cooked. So we just want those to heat through. So it should take about 10-15 minutes. All right, so just a final check, taste for salt and pepper, and this absolutely looks fabulous. And I think it is ready to be served. Then what I like to do to finish it off is I like to garnish with a little bit of fresh parsley. And I also love to just add a squirt of lemon. So I hope I've inspired you for this quick and easy, delicious dinner. And if you'd like another quick and easy dinner, go ahead and check this video out. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.